So in this video, you'll learn how to enable ad blockers for the Samsung Internet app on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step is to just go ahead and open the Samsung Internet app. And then from here, you want to tap on the hamburger icon in the top right corner. And once this pop-up appears on your screen, go ahead and select ad blockers. You should see a list of all ad blockers that are currently supported on your Samsung device. So go ahead and just tap on install to download that ad blocker. And once it's been installed and it's been added onto your Samsung Internet app, and the toggle is showing that it's enabled, you can now start using Samsung Internet with the ad blocker. If you see it's not working immediately, just try reloading the page, and now all the ads that were previously there have been successfully blocked. And so that's how you can enable the ad blocker in the Samsung Internet app on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.